ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ಜಾರಿ ಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ತಳ್ಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ.
sir. ಖಂಡಿತ ತಳ್ಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಯಾಕೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ವೈಫ್.
ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಸರ್, ಡೌರಿ ಡೆತ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಕೊಡಿ.
504B ಸಾರಿ 304B.
498 304B lethal combination.
Please my lord, she herself fell down to the lake my lord.
Fell down?
ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ಜಾರಿ ಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ತಳ್ಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 sir. ಖಂಡಿತ ತಳ್ಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ವೈಫ್.
ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
These are all matters of evidence, sir. 304B I am not going to stay.
my lord, at least for father and mother my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are so many, 7 ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮೂರೇನಾ?
ಮೂರೇ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
father and mother my lord, at least they are senior citizen and having several disease. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. They are not residing along with this the victim or the accused number 1. Kindly my lord.
64 statement, various allegations against.
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, moreover page number 61 may be seen once my lord. Adralli they have come to the.
Sir, dowry death is a matter of evidence. If it were to be some abetment to suicide athara idre, it's a different thing. This is Crouch that should stop. Yes
my lord, no such thing happened. First of all my lord, and kindly see page number 61 my lord, once my lord, 61. That is the document they have given themselves, the complainant my lord. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನಾವು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಒಪ್ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡುದು? ನಾವು ಕೇಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So
till then my lord,
see,
at least
no till then.
two accused number 2 and 3 my lord. One other I'll face the trial my lord.
No. File discharge. Dowry death, life is lost, sir. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, husband,
Not
all three are equally.
My lord, I agree my lord, but not because of this petitioner that life has lost my lord. Even
ಅದು ತಳ್ಳಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, that's a matter of evidence.
no eyewitness at all.
ಯಾರ್ದು?
They should speak about their role also, sending back her back to get dowry and all those things.
Anything else?
At least 2 and 3 my lords, please.
When will you stop this dowry thing, sir? What is
My lord,
this?
it is
What
the
do you
allegation
do?
my lord.
What do you do?
My lord,
Alla, what does the husband?
my lord,
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
I have
You just answer. What does the husband do?
he is the owner of the electrical vehicle my lord.
Electrical vehicle?
showroom, ಅದು showroom start ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Electrical
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
showroom.
ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಅಗತ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೌರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟು
Generally, dowry is demanded by the husband's parents if the son is nikamma.
My lords, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ allegations
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
that ಅವರು
to fill in that
ಲಕುನ.
to fill in that uselessness of the son, the parents demand dowry.
My lord, he is well of my lord, he is
Generally,
educated.
generally.
ಸನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಗು ಇದೆ, 6
ಅದು
ವರ್ಷ.
ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ greed ಈ ತರ.
No my lords.
But you trouble the girl and the family.
My lord, never that such thing happened my lord. All the allegations are fake my lord. Kindly my lord, appreciate only one my lord.
Matter
One
of evidence, nothing. No. 304B and 498 I will not at all interfere. You file discharge if you want.
no,
I will not. Yes, discharge format. Illera I will give a finding, not a problem.
ಹಾಗೆ,
Yes.
please.
164 record ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Yes.
Petitioner, short question, my lord. The permission granted by the deputy commissioner was challenged, my lord.
Fake bank guarantee.
Fake bank guarantee is acquitted.
Petitioner acquitted.
He was acquitted, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Petitioner was acquitted, my lord.
ಬಿಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಫೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, is acquitted. He was acquitted.
ಅಕ್ವಿಟಲ್
my lord.
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
No,
ಯಾರು
not
ನೀವು
that,
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
please, my lord. I am not the complaint ಮಾಡ್ದ, I am like accused. Petitioner was acquitted for the offence 420, 467 and 468, my lord. State has filed an appeal before the session court, my lord. And my lord, when the offence is 467, my lord, is imprisonment for life. Deputy commissioner has given a permission to file an appeal before the session court, my lord. So that was challenged, my lord. I filed a memo before there is no jurisdiction to grant a permission by the deputy commissioner, my lord. Said order.
So that's, I don't understand, because the law itself allows. Now state can file an appeal before the sessions court. on the authorization of the deputy commissioner. So in this case, deputy commissioner has issued an authorization. Based on that, an appeal has been filed.
When-
Saying that we could not have filed it there, you have to come here. That's, they not survive for him.
When the alleged offence is a life imprisonment, my lord, how can the deputy commissioner grant a permission to file an appeal, my lord? That was
I
challenge.
think it's competent authority, yaru.
No, but
State,
the
my lord.
Deputy
The
commissioner.
state is not the deputy commissioner. Take it up.
Yes.
I will list it tomorrow. Tomorrow, fresh matters. Yes, next.
16,
The main time. Next.
16. 16,
ಕೆಂಪರಾಜು. Investigation papers ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು.
16.
No, this court on 1/6/2026 had passed the following order. The complete charge sheet material is neither placed nor there is representation via the petitioner. List after 4 weeks. Registry is directed not to list the matter prior to the expiry of 4 weeks. Next. A. Kulkarni.
20,
Appeal for petitioner. my lord. In
ಇದು
this case,
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ವಾ? Entire investigation papers.
next.
Yeah, no, this is not the way. I've done it on 1/6. ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
Please, next. Tomorrow, my lord.
Thursday, fresh matters, ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರು Thursday? The learned HCGP, Wahida, right?
Yes, my lord.
Wahida seeks time to secure the investigation papers. List on Thursday, fresh matters.
18,
My lord, petitioner head constable, homestay matter, my lords. Last week, my lords had,
Constable,
please,
how did you give NOC, sir?
my lords, I have power, my lords, I have produced that
You have the
document. I have produced it along with the memo.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್
Power ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
allegation.
forgery ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫೋರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್.
ಅವ್ರ power ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
Power ಇದೆ, my lords, I have produced the document along with the memo.
look into it.
Copy is served, my lords. Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my lords, on 1st June only I have served, my lord.
ಇದು this is not that the other matter. ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. This in the meantime, next.
Please, my lords.